Hello traders, just watching some instruments on the forex market. I found something interesting on one of the pairs, and I would like to share the idea with you. Of course, if you like it, then I invite you for more such short films, short recordings. If not, just comment under if you agree or not agree with my idea. So let's start with a live chart of pound to Japanese yen. Yeah, this is the pair which I found interesting. This is the one I'm showing you at the moment. Maybe let's zoom out and take a bigger picture of the situation here. So what can we see here? That let's start with support and resistance levels. So as you see here we have a level which gives me some idea that it's a support and resistance level. Okay, so when we look at back in the history, close to a year ago, we saw that this level worked like a resistance, once again like a resistance. Then we see that after a breakout that it works perfectly like a support, because after the strong breakout the market has fallen back to this level. And again here we see that the market is respecting this level. So no doubt that it can start working like a resistance in close future, of course, if the price will reach this level, and this level is 135.50. 135.50 this is the level here. Okay, so this is a bigger picture. Of course, we need to go to a lower time frame to find some opportunities. But before we change to a higher time frame, I would like to show you something more. If we zoom in, more and take a look at this daily chart. Still we are on a daily chart. Look at this situation here. Definitely here we have a formation which we call inside bar. Okay, so we have here a inside bar. This is the mother candle of this formation. This is the inside bar. So together those two candles create a formation of an inside bar. And what we see, just yesterday the market broke out from this inside bar, and it was a successful breakout because the market closed the day below the lower range of this inside bar. So the lower, this is the high of the inside bar, this is the low, and they closed below the low. So I expected more declines, because usually when we see a breakout from a formation like this, inside bar is also equal to a consolidation somehow, because it means that the price couldn't break to the top or to the bottom of this mother bar. So when they break out and the daily candle is closed below, I treat it like a successful breakout. But let's follow what's happening now. See, this is the daily candle, today's daily candle. Wednesday candle is a Fed day, so within 1 hour we'll see what are the decisions of the Fed, what are the decisions of Mr. Powell, and what kind of news will he give us during the conference after the rate decision, because I don't expect that the rates will be changed, but there will be maybe some more pumping money into the market. So just we see that today's candle is also a successful breakout. They tried to retest the bottom of this inside bar, but they didn't succeed to break in, and they are back below this. What more? I'm using MACD. This indicator here is called MACD. It's a moving average convergence divergence. It shows us a difference between two moving averages. The moving averages I'm using is a 12 period and a 26 period exponential moving averages, and those are two lines on the chart. I don't want to draw them here because they spoil the picture, but the difference between one moving average and the second one is shown as a form of a bar here. So the bigger bar we have, the bigger distances between those two moving averages, and when they cross each other, then the MACD gives us a result is 0. So, and what we see here is that we have a chance to have the first red bar. It means that the MACD was growing, and maybe from today on will start falling. So this is a very important moment. I'm using this in my strategy, which is called price action MACD, and you see something like this happened here, just opposite to this what we saw here happened here. We saw that the market was falling and then started growing. MACD was following the market, of course, and look what happened after we saw this change. And this candle here was responsible for this change on the MACD. If you would just enter here, because this candle closed here, this was the closure of this candle, and it changed the MACD to green, to growing one. If you would enter along, look how much pips you would gain. And that's what I expect here. I expect here that when we see the first moment of a change of the color, I would like to see the market fall down. But my take profit is here because, you know, as I mentioned, this support resistance level can stop the market from falling, at least for some time. So I would rather book my profits here and wait for the situation to clarify. If we see more and more red lines here and the market falling below this support resistance level, then maybe we can see more declines. But this is what can happen. It's future. Now let's look at the reality. What's happening here? So this is my idea for this pair GBP Japanese yen is to be bearish. And what more I can say to you, I will clean the picture because too many lines are here, and let's go to a 4-hour chart so we can take a closer look on the situation here, what's happening. Okay, and look what's happening here. Yeah, definitely the market, this is the inside bar from the daily. Okay, so this is the once more, this is an inside bar from the daily chart. This is the one here, and it's a formation, of course, of the inside bar, because the inside bar, those are bars, but together they form a formation. Sorry. And now we saw that yesterday's breakout finished at this level because there was some support here. Then we saw, after the breakout, we saw a retest of this bottom, because this is the low of the inside bar, and we see the market is retracing. I hope that this direction will be followed, will be kept, and I would like to close my trade here. The level on which I plan to close is 135, let's say 80, and the level I entered is about 137. So it's over 100 pips to be taken. Maybe I'll be adding more shorts if the situation is going along to my idea. So this is the idea for pound and Japanese yen, and I can clean it and go for a moment back to daily and resume it. Why I am trading a short? I am trading a short because the first reason is that I have an inside bar. Second reason is that they broke out from inside bar, and third point is MACD is going bearish. You see, this is what what makes me think that we can expect more and more bearish candles. As an example, I showed you what happened here. Of course, this was an opposite situation, but when the MACD turned up to started growing, we saw the market grow. What more? We can take a look here as a test of what happened before. You can see that before, when we had something like this, this is what I'm awaiting. The market was also and made a nice U-turn. So awaiting what the situation, what the market will bring. I say you goodbye, and if you like it, just note it that you liked it, so I will make more such short recordings, but of course not every day, because it takes some time. But when I see something really interesting, I'll put it once again on the YouTube. So if you like the analysis, just comment it and say me if you have some other ideas. If you liked it and you would like to see more, you can check on Compari.com. We have fresh analysis, at least 2-3 weekly, or maybe even daily, at least one. And you can find me on the Facebook group, which I am administrating with a friend from Spain. Trading price action patterns, it is the name of the group. It's such as the logo, and here is the number of the group. So thank you very much for your attention, and maybe some last words for really interested people. I have daily free live trading sessions every day at 1 o'clock London time. I start my live trading session when I discuss such ideas, such opportunities, just on the live charts, and find some interesting trades for you. You can chat with me, you can discuss with me, because there's a chat, so it's an interactive live trading session. So thank you very much, and see you next time.